Hey everyone, it's Josh here. If you've been following us at all, you know that there's some big shifts happening. Everything at the moment is consolidating around the One Session brand. All of our products and everything is forming into the One Session ecosystem, and that also means this YouTube channel here. So that means that we're going to be turning this channel into SessionTV. So it's going to be the host of all of the session content, whether it be Session Token, LokiNet, or the product formerly known as LokiNet. All of that is going to be right here. And we're going to have our regular updates of the products. You're going to see tutorials, guides, that kind of thing. But we'll also have new content related to privacy essays and comparisons with other privacy tools. So we're really going to make this a one-stop privacy shop for the session ecosystem and all of your privacy concerns. So make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in some future videos.